Let's start with another executable called Certutil.exe. That was called as a LOLBins. So the Certutil.exe will be one of the important Windows internals that was handling the certificates. So your machine has a lot of applications that has been running, and the operating system was running. So the operating system and that has different certificates, right? So digital certificate or whatever you can call. So we have maybe some of them know the digital certificates and all. So the operating system also have some certificates. The certificate is used to handle this certificate and all. So this is responsible for like downloading or importing, exporting the certificates and verifying the certificate. So the threat actors will use the certutil to download a malicious files into the machine. Okay, so probably they will be using the strings like this: certutil URL cache split dot slash dash split dash f, and they will give the server with the malware. Okay, so if you are placing your own malware in your server, so they will be given the URL here, and they will save the malware inside the machine. Okay, so they don't need to use any chrome.exe or firefox.exe. So absolutely you can't able to use that kind of executables when you are inside the machine, because there will be no options using that. Okay, some machines they have a chrome, some machine there will be a message, and some machine that will be missing. So you have to completely rely on other techniques. So if you want to download anything from the internet, okay, so you can use a certutil.exe to download something from a remote server, and you can save it in the machine. Okay, so this was particularly handled by the this certificate will be handling the certificates, and it will be, I already said, it is going to download a certificate from the certificate authority server. So we are using the certificate for our malicious purpose. Okay, we can download anything. Also it is used to encode and decode. Okay, so we can use it for encoding and decoding, so like this and like this. So I will give a little bit example, so how the threat actor will going to download the malware files. Okay, so because most of the incidents which I have faced, they are using these techniques to download the malicious files into the machine. Okay, let's get onto the machine, and let's close this window, close the PBR, close it. Let go to the message. Okay, so let's load something like, so which file we can download. Let's think we will download the mimicat file. Okay, and we can save it inside our machine. Okay, mimikat's github. This is one of the malicious files, the mimikats. Let's go to the x64. Here it is, mimikats.exe. Let's copy this. Okay, so we are going to use this certutil split f, right? URL cache split dash f. Let's use the cmd. Certutil.exe URL cache split dash f. So you have to save this file as a mimi.exe. Let's execute this. So now you can see it's an R9, and so it was saying the certutil URL cache command has been completed successfully. Let's do dir. Okay, so you can see the files here. It was mimi.exe, previously which we have downloaded from the certutil.exe. So you can, it was downloaded on 820. You can see my time, and this is the bit of 298150. So the file has been downloaded successfully. So this is the way the threat actor will use to download a third-party malwares from their servers. So instead of giving the GitHub here, they will be using their own server HTTPS, like threat let me pull hacker server slash malware.exe. So they will use this techniques to download the file and put it in the inside the machine. Okay, so this will be easily evade the antivirus softwares and EDR platform, because the Certutil is responsible for handling the certificates if the antivirus softwares or EDR block the Certutil.exe. So now your operating system can't able to update anything, okay, because the operating system needs Certutil.exe for some updates and all, okay. So the static detections and dynamic detections, that was not possible in this side. Only they can go for a behavioral based detections. Okay, so let's stop off this video and we'll continue our discussion in our next video. See you guys. Bye bye.